Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to send pictures on Gmail. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. First of all, open the Gmail app. To start composing a new email, tap on Compose. In the To field, enter the receiver email address. Optionally, you can add a subject in the subject field. After that, tap the paper icon or the attachment icon. Tap on Attach File. You will be given options for attaching files. Choose Images or Gallery. Browse your photo gallery and select the pictures you want to attach. You can usually select multiple pictures if you want to send more than one. After that, tap on the select to confirm your choice. If you want to include message with this picture, you can type it in the body of the email. Once you are ready, tap the send button, usually represented by an arrow icon. Your email with the attached pictures will be sent. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.